Around this carbon, two double bonds are present. Two double bonds means what? This one double bond, this double bond. Two double bonds are present. That means it undergoes their hybridization. sp. Good. sp. What about this carbon? This carbon having only one double bond, this double bond. That means sp2. What about this carbon? Good. Double bond is present, sp. This is also sp. What about this compound? Styrene. This compound name is styrene. You can see nomenclature of organic molecule. Then you can see all these concepts. Nomenclature. Don't bother about it. Okay, in styrene, each carbon atom undergoes gas hybridization. Sorry. In styrene, tell me, sir. This is benzene structure. No doubt. sp2 hybridization. No doubt. What about this carbon? Tell me, sir. Double bond carbon. That means sp2. Good. What about this carbon? This is also sp. Double bond present. That is sp2 carbon. That means in styrene, all carbon atoms undergoes gas hybridization. sp2 hybridization only. In benzene and styrene, all carbon atoms undergoes gas hybridizations, sp2 hybridization. Clear? In part 5, what is our topic? Tricks to find out the hybridization of organic molecules only, but not all molecules. Organic molecules only. 4 tricks. sp3 one trick, sp2 one trick, sp2 tricks. What about sp3? Around the carbon, 4 single bonds are present. There is tetrahedral shape, bond angle 109-28 minutes. Generally, alkanes shows this type of hybridization. What about sp2? Around the carbon, one double bond is present. Okay, shape, trigonal planar, bond angle 120 degrees. Generally, alkenes shows this type of hybridization. What about sp? These are 2 conditions. One is around the carbon, one triple bond is present, or 2 double bonds are present. Then it shows sp hybridization. Alkynes generally shows this type of hybridizations. All examples are clear. Nice. So now I can stop here. In next video, that is part 6, is also very important. Part 6 continuation for part 5. In part 6, we can discuss about tricks for hybridization, to find hybridization in all molecules, organic, inorganic, ions, all type of chemical species. Next video, what we can see, that is part 6, tricks to find hybridization of all type of chemical species, whether it is organic molecule or inorganic molecule or ion molecule or ion. That is very, very important aspect competitive examinations. So many times asked. That's why don't miss it. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.